Hello guys, welcome to BitcoinMF. Good morning to everybody. I hope everybody is okay. And I want to share with you my daily view of the market for today. Of course, I remind you this is not a financial advice, so make sure you do your own research so you can lose only what you can afford to lose. Okay, so let's dive right into it. And as you know, if you follow, I posted yesterday that I'm going to sleep and I leave the stop loss after the short at 11,100 on Kraken price. And surprise, surprise, they got my stop. And now market is seems to be bullish and pushing up. Everybody is looking for the green button, in my opinion, because we can see a clear support here. Also, we tried to sell off wick down here, but didn't make it. The bulls got control again, and 10k was saved. And now after the 10k was saved, it's 11k, and everybody is going like, oh my god, I again didn't bought the 10k, so I must buy the 11k. And all of this is still signaling me red lights in order to me to flip like 100% bull, because I still want to see today if also this line can be breakable to the upside. Of course, if bulls can break this line for and hold this as support, and even if this line doesn't break, I want to see this line act as a support for bulls, because if this was all like tricks and games and manipulations, so there is a chance, a possible chance, that this range is like a bull trap, okay? Because you can see it goes down. When it goes down with force, it collects the stop losses, it collects all the everything that was lost here, if you know what I mean. Then it continues, okay? And 3 days we get the red candles and everybody is like, whoa, what's going on? But still longing, and funding was still on the long side, okay? So in my opinion, this is the trick. The funding grinded the longers, grinded their money, and now it everybody added margin and everybody went long, and market makers stepped in and they pushed it high again, in order also to take stops of people like Little Lazy, which put the stop in 11,100 for the night and thought he was gonna make it. Okay, but that's not the issue. The issue today is the general move, and what can be made out of it, and how can we deal with it, and you know what I mean. So right now I can see the volume is still we still lack the volume of the buyers, okay? And actually we can see that this candle of growth is kind of going on without volume, which is not a very good sign, because it's like I say, easy manipulation. Sorry, low volume, easy manipulation, okay? For both sides. It can work even for longs and even for shorts, okay? Because when the volume is low, then market makers can trick the market with more ease. Okay, let's add the mimicators, and we can see that wow, this RSI is 50 is found support and is going up again. This we can see. Yesterday we talked about the bearish MACD, and now it's like heard Lazy, and it says, Lazy says bearish MACD, I will show him, I will not be bearish. You see this little line of difference? It closes, the negative phase is closing, so the sharp ones, they say, whoa, it's gonna bull on us. Okay, here we can see for better, okay? And also the stochastic RSI is showing us that there is a chance for the RSI to go more up, and everything is clear. And okay, I agree, I get it. TI wise, we can see that we are kind of up, but again, I always like to look at the other side also. And when something is too obvious, my antenna is erect, if you know what I mean. Okay, so let's do the Ashi candles, BB bands we added, the BitcoinMF strategy we added. If you didn't, if you don't know what this is, you can check on the links. Be my guest. Everything is there, and I am open for questions. So what we see with the strategy, we see that yesterday we had a short signal, and if you followed, I told you that I'm waiting for the short signal, and I also told you that many times the short signal, the strong signals are first counter traded, and we can see this many times. Okay, so right now I still want to see if this signal will eventually on the daily time frame will become true and accurate and will take us down more with the market down. Okay, I want to see this. Of course, this is not 100% sure, but if market can't break this level, so yes, I expect maybe more down. Okay, this in my opinion still can happen, no matter if people say 10k is saved, 11k is saved, and again, this is how I look at it from the other side. If people like wanted to buy the 10k, went to sleep, wake up, it's 11k already, in my opinion they're gonna press the green button, because it's like they see, oh no, the price is slipping away. Everybody is in FOMO. Everybody, in my opinion, that didn't take the long move from the last bottom of the 3k area is feeling missed, and it's fucking up with our brain, in my opinion. And that's all. So I watch the market very cautious, and I use my money very cautious. I don't want to be on the wrong side. Also, I remind you that I trade sometimes not so big budget. So you have to adjust for your budget and do what you need to do. Okay, I can only share what I do and only what I know and don't know, and you got it. Okay. Okay, so let's move on a little bit and do the time frames. On the 4-hour, what we can see on the 4-hour, we can see that it dipped to the BB band, picked up, and also we got this long signal. Also, by the way, yesterday night there were like 2 or 3 signals on the Telegram channel. While everybody was thinking where to run, I didn't want to spread this too much, because sometimes when I see a good signal, I respect the members, and I like let it stay in the family, if you know what I mean. So make sure you check it out, because yesterday, before I went to sleep, the Telegram signal to go long in around 10k 400. Okay, that was a good sign. And also not mentioning the SPX 500 signal that was there, that if people took this trade, and in my opinion today they are very happy. I just hope they close at profit. And why I say this, because the SPX in front of BTC pair is like the point value is way higher on the evolved markets, and it's like mad gains, but it's also very risky. Okay, so if you want to play with this, you can check the links, evolved markets, you know what to do. Just watch out and make sure you check the fees and all the shmees, because you know how it is. Okay, back to the TA, we can see that the candle is right now trying to close above mid BB, which is a bull sign, and if it indeed closes above this and this, so there is a chance for bulls to go more up. Okay, to the top BB maybe area. But again, even if this goes up, what interests me is I want to see a close above this level. Okay, I want to see the daily closing above this level. If we go back to the daily once again, okay, above this level. This is what I talk about. If it closes above this level, so I will start to scratch my head. But if it doesn't closes above this level, I know that there is a chance for still us to go down, more down, okay? Let's take a look at the 1 hour, and we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 hours we are in the long, okay? And people are, when I woke up in the morning, I check out a little bit of the forums, of the Discord and all the shit. People are telling me to long right now. And I say, okay, I get it, but look, you were supposed to long like 25 hours ago, man. Okay? So how do you want to long now? Okay, BTC, I get it. It can go more up, but already all of this is lost. Also, the bull cross is here, and you know what I say about the bull cross. It can also go and clear all the longers that long the bull cross, but we must wait for it and see. Let's see the 30 minutes. Okay, what do we see here? Kind of the same thing. Again, there is a chance for us to go even more up, okay, to this line again. But first, we need buy volume to enter. We need this RSI to reverse. We need everything to become a bull again. Because right now, as I always tell you, when it comes to the BB bands, when it closes outside or when it starts to glide, there is always a chance that price will go straight with force back to the BB bands. Of course, there is also a chance that 1, 2 or 3 candles red and we go up more, like here, okay? It's kind of now searching for the support, and if it finds support on the 16 EMA, so we go more up. Okay, 15 minutes, you can see. Okay, 2 candles red, and everybody knows, like I say, not too short after these 2 candles, so we might see a little bounce up right now. And again, I look for the kind of a bull trap, okay? I don't know if I'm right on this. I could be wrong again. Everything is possible. But anyways, I will wait for this because I'm not in a rush. And I use the strategy, and I use the pattern scanner, and I use everything I can use, okay? So this is the time frames for today. Let's take a look at the daily again. Maybe not the daily, I show you the weekly. I can discuss this also. You see the weekly is still red in my opinion, and still dangerous, and the weekly is a time frame that many changes can be there. So right now we're going up, but it doesn't mean shit because we can like go so strong down on the weekly that bulls will, I don't know what will happen to him. I don't want to even think. And I also don't want to think what will happen if this weekly finds support here and the next week starts from here and above. So that's like how we say Elohim Gadol. So another thing we check about the pivots, okay? We look at the pivots always. And the pivots line, if you follow the Discord, I told you also yesterday, but it doesn't matter what I told, it matters what I close. And I close at the stop loss, if you follow good. When it's underneath the 21 EMA, the bears are in control. And then we got this candle, which is like flip the market. And bulls got control. And when it happened around this area, I told you that if it keeps closing above the EMA, price can go and check the pivot next line. And surprise, this is what happened, okay? And now we are still checking this line, and you can see the red candle, and now it's trapped between here and here. And again, this situation, in my opinion, if this candle will close like this area and the next candle will start to break up some more, and manages to close above this line, so again, of course, it's more good for bulls because it's like they are getting stronger in their levels. And what bulls really want, in my opinion, is this line 21 EMA to cross the pivot line and be above it. And if the line will be above it, and the price will also be above it. So there will be a strong bull presence, and people will feel it, in my opinion, and also press more the green button, which, as you already know, can play the both ways. Okay, and why I say can play the both ways, I always post this thingy on the Discord server, okay, and we also get updates on the Telegram. And I watch this, and how I watch this, I don't take this signal bearish as something serious, okay, because just want to say a couple of things. Why I don't take this signal itself as something, because all the way up from 3K, it was bearish, okay? I looked at it and it was bearish all the way up. It didn't change, like I don't think it changed for one day. So, okay, bearish. Thank you, Daily FX.com. But still, I think that there is something here, because I watched this many times and I can see it's like stupid, but I don't know how to else explain it, okay? Market does what list traders where list traders go, okay? If it's not in a manipulation phase, in my opinion, this is what happens, okay? If we get 80% of the people going long and 18 going short, so there can't be a situation where the longs keep taking all the money, okay? Cannot be this situation, because it's like there is not enough money, or there is not the majority will never wins, in my opinion, okay? So it doesn't matter how many longs and shorts we see on Bitfinex with this beautiful chart and all of this, you know what I mean? It matters, in my opinion, the combination of how many people are net short or net long, on what budget they are. That this is, we don't know, kind of, not from here. This is only the positioning. Thank you. And Bakitzer, I watch this, okay? When the shorts go down 1%, I know that there is a chance that price action will come down a little bit. And why? Because it works the other way around. We don't wait for more bears to step in order to market to go down, because it's not the way it is. If a trillion bears will now step in the market will go down, for me it signals that the market has been manipulated, because market makers are riding with the same wave as the retails, and they see the retails as bears stepping in, and they push more down, and the retails get the feeling that, oh, we're winning, you know this. And in one beautiful moment, it all reverses and gets the fuck out of the way and clears everybody, okay? So, sorry, I got them a little bit excited. I watch this with caution, okay? When I see this percent going down or up, I know that it will, in the next minutes, okay? It works like in the next minutes, it can even change the price. And I already seen this many times. It goes 1% off and price just drops, okay? But again, it's not every time, but it's many times. And if you sign to their shit, which is free, and I actually really like it, you can see also this here, and here you can see they send almost every day. They send an update, a detailed update with all the currencies, most of the things I like anyways, I don't care. This is very important in my opinion. This is you see, it's current percentage of clients long versus short, and you can see like Ripple is totally long, okay? So people ask, how come Ripple is falling so much? Well, maybe it's because everybody is long and that's the fuel. So it keeps on falling, okay? How can everybody long and the price will go up? Where will the ripple come from? Okay, from bread? No, I don't think so. Let's concentrate. Sorry, Bitcoin. Okay, we can see Bitcoin retail trader data shows 80% of traders are net long. That's fucking a lot, okay? Everybody is long. And the ratio is 4.17 to 1. It's like on every one person that is short, there are more than 4 people that are long. And the number of traders net long is 5% lower than yesterday, okay? It's lower than yesterday, so it means actually, according to this text, that people are less going long, okay? They less go long from yesterday, and it is also 5% higher from last week, while the numbers of traders net short is 6.7% lower than yesterday, and 11.2% lower from last week. Okay, so this line, in my opinion, is the key. Why I say so? Because here it's lower and the price going down on the daily. You understand this? Why? Because it's lower longs. Less longs, the price go up. And on the weekly, it is higher. So this thing is causing us like a paradox, or I would have to say when the interest is like colliding, okay? This goes against this, because this is higher from last week and this is lower from last week, and also this percentage is higher than this percentage. So in my head, this means this is way lower than this week, okay? So if all of shorts are way lower also today and also by the weekly, there is a great chance that price will dump as fuck, okay? And I don't want to say hop until we made it, but this is what I look at today. Okay, so very careful, and again, nobody knows what will happen, but this is the way I watch it, this is what I think, and you're welcome to follow the Discord server and the Telegram channels, and all the links are below. Maybe consider to press the like button and the subscribe button. If you don't like it, you can also press the like button. And I see you next time, and good luck and take care, and that's it. One more thing, if you want to support this activity, there is also a link in the channel in the description, and you can go there and you can even donate, as crazy as it sounds, or buy a t-shirt with a big dick on it or something like this. Okay, you find yourself if you want, if you feel like this. This is not a must. I will continue doing this because I enjoy doing this, and basically that's it for today, and I see you inside, and good luck again, and bye bye.